Look at these dumbass cats. You want to know what their names are? Here we go. This right here, this is Fuckface. The black one's name is Nigger. Thanks for, Cameron, you're the only one listening, so this is to you. And this one over here, the cool looking one, that's Ass Juice. Ass Juice is my favorite. Ass Juice, good old Ass Juice. Know what I'm doing? I am waiting outside on Lennon to come and pick me up. You know what me and Lennon are gonna go do? Me and Lennon are gonna go to Adams. You know what we're gonna do at Adams? We're gonna get fucked the fuck up. Yes, you're right. You're completely right. You see, the key to showbiz is to never stop smiling and make lots of eye contact. Bitch. Say bye to the cats. That's funny. Okay, I don't blame you anymore. Is she not a girl? Is she a girl or not? Whoa, look at my shadow. A day girl? What the fuck is a day girl? Hang on, I gotta get off this. I gotta get off this so I can take a picture of this shadow, because this shadow is turned.